big creative friend. This bitch got the camera. So hey my girlies, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, my name is Nisha. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So welcome back to another vlog. Into it. I got off Amazon. It's a bob 13 by 6. So basically you can make like a deeper part, which I love. I'm not going to be getting no more 13 by 4s. It only came with the lid cap, but it's like a 27 mixed with like a 30. Yes, the quality, I'm feeling it. Ooh, loving the lace as well. Love that the knots are small.
Yeah, color and shot in my driving lane solid. I keep them on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money 8 ways like an octopus. Go in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck, then we popping them. Been raising hell back in school, I was popping them. Yeah, all of my hoes get faced, she faced me. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and I raised it. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas spend a lot and had to switch on my phrase. And I'm sending out shots till the fouls get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm straight. Tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. Yeah, color and shot in my driving lane solid. I keep them on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money 8 ways like an octopus. Go in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a run, give a fuck, then we popping them. Been raising hell back in school, I was popping them. Yeah. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and I raised it. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas spend a lot and had to switch on my phrase. And I'm sending out shots till the fouls get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm straight. Tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, call the plug, I need more power.
Push a P. Yeah, push a P, turn me up. Turn me up, P. Corners in the paddock, gave my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace.
Guys, it's very vlogged. My ghost bun gloves.
She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count president. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she keep the P. Privacy, bitch, I'm push a P. Purple paint, piece of pink, bitch, I'm push a P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P.
This wig fits so perfect on my head.
P. Corners in the paddock, gave my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got shot across the sky. Get the peace. Drop the data, now we plot inside the peace. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president, count president. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she keep the P. Privacy, bitch, I'm push a P. Purple paint, piece of pink, bitch, I'm push a P. Push a P.
So y'all, hair cut it. I was not feeling like the long look. So I'm just bumping my bob because I had it in clips when I was doing my makeup. I'm glad that I had cut it because I feel like it was like too long. Like when I wear bobs, I like for mine to always look like that blunt cut. At first I thought it was too short, but like it is so cute. Period. So today is Saturday and it is 4:09. I'm going out of town to see one of my friends, what I had told you guys about. I'm finna kick it It's been a minute since I've seen her and the kids. It's always good vibes with my friends. We be always having a good time every time. How was y'all liking the vibe? Like, y'all did a pretty good job of cutting it, but like, yeah, as you guys when I was installing, I just felt like it was like too long. Where like certain hairstyles, you're like, okay, yeah, this ain't for me, and it's just like the short cut bob to my neck, it just fits me better. Cause with that long hair, I was like, I'm not feeling this. Cause on the mannequin it looked good, but when I put it on, I was like, no, it's too long. But I like it, and this makeup look is cute. So I gotta hurry up and get on the highway. And I have this Zara white t-shirt. It fits so good. You know, the tan one that I wore in my last video, it's the same material. I love it so much. And some high-waisted shorts that I got from TJ Maxx. And I just have my gold necklace on with my gold watch. For body lotion today, You Are the One body cream. Y'all, this smells so good. This is one of my favorites. I always put this on every time I get out. And for scent today, this smells so good, y'all. So good. One thing about me is I love the fruity and floral scent. I gotta go pick this up. I wanted to show y'all what I had got out Ulta. I didn't really get, you know, too much. Certain stuff on sale. I wanted to try out some new foundations, but I did it Bye Bye foundation. It was so cakey on my skin, so I didn't get that. The Bare Minimum foundation, that foundation was too watery. If the foundation don't have like the NARS radiant consistency, then I don't like it as a foundation. Just looking around, because I was gonna buy some more perfume, but I was like, nah. Next week, I was like, I would just wait till I get paid next week and just go ahead and buy. I don't need to spend no more money on perfume. But anyway, the LA girl, the neon eyeliners, because blue neon one, a purple neon one, a green neon one, and also a yellow neon one. Like, it was only $4. They only sell LA girl like that no more. I don't know why. This black chain purse that I got from TJ Maxx. Y'all already know Betty on a budget, and it was, I think it was like $20. I've been had this, but this is my first time wearing it because everything is looking good. Like, I love this wig. Y'all mentioned that I got this wig off Amazon.
For me, it's the vibe for me. Do you see her out there?
Y'all, it's 4:17. I'm going to head out the door now. And I gotta pee. I'm so hungry. Okay, I'm at the right one. What y'all doing here? Y'all gonna say hey to the camera? To YouTube? Hey. Hey. You gonna say hey? You gonna say hey, Mason?
Hi.
She had said she had cooked something. It smelled good up in here, but I don't see no food. I'm so hungry. They all by me. One day I'm gonna have some. One day I'm gonna have some. Getting ready, and she is cooking us something. See, this is what I need in my place. In my other apartment, my mirror in my bathroom was so freaking little. Like, I always had to do like videos in my room with like my door mirror, but I love her bathroom. It's like separated. I like this. This is how one of the other apartments that I had seen when I was in Texas. But like, I can't wait to just in my own space again. Like, y'all just don't know. I'll be back with y'all. And y'all, my friend is talented, so she had made this jacket. As y'all can see, she's not done with it. She said she got to do the inside, but ain't that is so cute, handmade. She got her little section going on right here. Let me
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love.
Worth it to play Jenga. I've been wanting to play this game for so long.
Every time I
This wine is pretty good. I like it. I love wine. I'm a wine girl. I do not like hard liquor. Just vibing right now. I gotta do a video real quick for TikTok. Girl, because I'm starting to get paid on Facebook, so it's like I gotta post my reel. I gotta
feel you, because they showed me too.
Yeah.
It'll be
So we making a toast
to life, new beginnings. We gonna be up next year.
Period. Yes. This one is good. We definitely should have got some more.
It's a I got this. Where I get this from?
That's
I
good.
got it from the liquor store. I got it from the grocery store.
Because I've been when I was pouring mine, I was already drinking some.
It's a sangria.
This is my content creator friend. This bitch got the camera. Yes. Y'all better know. Now what I was about to say, like,
up by the nigga, big Birkin bag, hoe, 5-6 niggas. I on my ass, so he got his pussy nigga. Fucking on the scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass in the picture. Give a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Freaking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. This money right, he can get like a picture. I ain't got time for you, thick ass hoes. Fucking all loud in them thick ass hoes. Ain't ass shoes.
Guys, with my sis, it's gonna be a part 2 soon. See you guys later. I said it's gonna be a part 2 soon, and you gonna talk about some see you guys
we'll
later.
see you guys in part 2.
Yeah, she wants me to come back. Here we go.
Next time we're gonna have a lot of games.
Yeah.
Some food. We're gonna have everything.
We had food this
What I'm saying,
time.
next time we should like taco bar or something.
Yeah. My friend did not want me to leave, y'all. I'm gonna miss her so much. That's one of my closest friends. Like, we so close. I'm gonna come back down here tonight with her. She wanted me to spend the night tonight because it's definitely late. Y'all, it is like 12 o'clock. Nothing to take my makeup off. I didn't bring nothing to sleep in, and I didn't bring nothing to wrap my hair. That's why I didn't really get drunk. That's why I just wanted to drink some wine, just, you know, on some chill vibes. And so I can make it back home safe. So good morning, it's another day. Just doing my skin routine. The Urban Skin RX cleansing bar. I love this brand a lot. So I'm gonna let this sit on my face. I'm gonna brush my teeth. My Acne Control by CeraVe. Y'all, I've been loving my skin routine. Even my little sister, she was like, oh, your skin is glowing. Like, yes, I found the products that is really good for my skin type and my skin, and I've really been loving my results a lot. I definitely be seeing a difference in my skin now, even though my skin was never bad, but it's just a little much better. It's like I've been so addictive just buying skin products. I don't even buy makeup products like that no more like I was. I'm really going to wait until Black Friday to buy some makeup, to get some makeup on sale. I really need no makeup right now, and I literally, every time I do my makeup, I use the same product. So it's like, well, why buy some makeup and I don't need it? And it's like every morning before I go to work. This is so good. Y'all get this at Awesome. And I gotta get me another one of these because I'm literally out. Lotion on, and this is also the CeraVe. And like, these products makes my skin super glowy. Like, I just love it. It be so hydrated. The water was on, so I don't know if you guys go back to what I had used. The Urban Skin Dark Spot Treatment. the discoloration serum. Modicals 2. This is the Daily Brighten. I love this spray so much. I don't know if y'all can see. This spray is so good. My lips, my lip butter. What I do before I go to work, when I get off at my other job, I do my skin routine. One of the best wigs I purchased off Amazon. Like, for real. I love that this is a deep part. It's not really, I don't got it parted. I just got it like all over. But like, I like look at it and like, okay, yeah. Like this side longer than this. But y'all better stop sleeping on Amazon. Cause I was going to go to church today, but I'm probably finna get right back in the bed for breakfast this morning and lay back down. Me and my friend had a long, I wouldn't say a long night. It was definitely good vibes last night. The thing about me is I'm gonna go home. That's why I didn't really want to. I drunk, but I didn't drink too much to get drunk, and then I would have had to stay with my friend, which I didn't mind staying with her. But you know, I just want anything going on. I be want to get home in my bed. So I'm just going to edit my weekly vlog. Basically about it.